Let's open this unique box and see what's inside the Glydus steering kit. The Glydus steering wheel. Feel the difference with every turn. User manual in multiple languages. These are the hoses, flexible and strong, perfect for any boat setup. We have high-quality oil filling kit to set up your system quickly. This is the helm pump. It helps you steer smoothly and easily. Here's the hydraulic cylinder, strong, reliable, and made for smooth steering. Precision in every drop. With our premium oil, performance flows perfectly. This is the complete Glydus kit, where innovation meets control. For every boat, for every adventure.